Hi, I'm Cherelle from Indie Artist School. I'm an R&B vocal coach and I created Riff Builder to be able to help you create your own R&B vocal riffs and runs. So let's do it together, okay? All right, so the first thing I want to do, let's add a riff block. So I think I might start with, let's listen to the quick dip. All right, let's turn that up so we can hear it better. Oh, yeah. All right, there we go. We got that one there. Let's add another piece. What can we add? Let's see. Yeah. Let's see what this will sound like. Yeah, 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 yeah. Is that how that would go? Let's listen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Let's see. Should we add more? What would it sound like if we did? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. All right, let's listen to that one. So let's say you want to slow it down. We can slow that tempo down. Let's go here to practice it. Yeah. Once you get it clean like you want it, then you can speed it back up. Yeah. All right, let's listen to how all of them sound together. We're going to play all. Ooh, let's try it on a loop for a minute. And we're going to slow it down. This is a good tempo. Now you have a riff you can use, okay? And you could speed it back up. Let's listen again at 120. Yeah. Ooh, that's fun. Now, let's say you really like your riff creation. You can export your riff by clicking Export My Riff. Okay, we're going to export it as a wave. I'm on a mobile device right now. I am a premium user, baby, so I can download these. If you become a premium user, you can download them too, but until then, you can still try them out. But let's say you got it. We're going to export it. And then, okay, it says click on the link. Ooh, look at that. And then you click download. And then you're going to have a jazzy tone when it plays back. Let's see. Oh, it sounds like a saxophone. I like, yeah. So anyway, you could save it, you could rename it, you can slow it down, speed it up. You can even change the keys, the scale type. So let's see what that would sound like. Let's go ahead and put it in a blues scale. Ooh, okay, so it's mostly the same because it started in minor, which is great, but you hear it on that last one. Yeah. You hear that? It's a little funkier there. Let's change the key as well. Let's listen and see what that sounds like. Let's actually go like way left field. Let's do major. It's probably going to sound really different then. Once you change the key and you change the scale type, it's a whole different vibe, and you didn't really have to change your building blocks. You see what I'm saying? So you could do so much with these. I can't wait to see you inside Riff Builder.